Hi Braves, welcome to my room. My name is Miss Geesey. I'm an AmeriCorps member here at IES. This is actually my second year as an AmeriCorps member here in the elementary school. I help to run small reading and math groups, and this year I'll be helping to run the Cyber Cafe for our cyber students. And with that comes helping with tutoring and enrichment. I'll be probably mostly in 3rd grade. However, there is the potential for me to be helping with other grades, so I might see you otherwise. With the Cyber Cafe, I will help to run the cyber meetups. So I'll get to see your smiling faces. We can play some trivia, have a good time. Another opportunity coming up in a few weeks is Friday Fun Clubs, which is where we can just meet and interact and unwind from the week. And those have yet to be determined, so stay tuned because you're gonna have the opportunity to decide what we offer this fall. But I can't wait to see you all, and we're gonna have a wonderful year. So I will see you soon. Remember to be safe, be kind, and responsible. Have a great day.